There is a moment just after you step off the plane in Denpasar when Bali announces itself before you've even left the airport. The air is thick and warm, carrying the faint sweetness of incense and tropical blooms. The architecture curves upward in tiered pagodas, a small woven basket, rests on the ground nearby, filled with flowers and rice, a quiet morning offering to the gods. You haven't even reached your hotel, and already you feel it. This place is different. This place is alive. Bali, a small island in the Indonesian archipelago, covers just over 5,600 square kilometers. In terms of sheer geography, it is modest. But in terms of spirit, culture, beauty, and the strange magnetic pull it exerts on every traveler who visits, Bali is boundless. It has been called the Island of the Gods, the Last Paradise, the Morning of the World. None of these names feel like exaggerations once you've been it. To understand Bali, you must first understand that it is, above all else, a deeply spiritual place. While the rest of Indonesia is predominantly Muslim, Bali has held on to its own unique form of Hinduism, Agama Hindu Dharma, for over 1,000 years. This faith is not something practiced only in temples on holy days. It is woven into the very fabric of daily life. Walk down any street in Ubud, Seminyak, or a quiet village in the highlands, and you will see it everywhere. Offerings placed at doorsteps, on motorbikes, at the base of statues, in the corners of shops. These small hand-woven palm leaf trays, decorated with flowers and filled with rice, incense, and symbolic items, are prepared fresh every single day by Balinese women as acts of gratitude and devotion. They are placed at dawn and renewed at dusk. It is estimated that Balinese women spend 2 to 3 hours each day preparing and placing offerings, a ritual that has continued for centuries without interruption. The island is home to more than 20,000 temples, ranging from grand royal complexes to intimate family shrines tucked inside household courtyards. The most iconic is Pura Besakih, known as the Mother Temple, which sits on the slopes of the sacred volcano Mount Agung, reaching nearly 3,100 meters. Agung is the spiritual center of the Balinese universe. According to Balinese cosmology, it is the axis of the world, the home of the gods, and the point from which all directions and energies flow. Even the layout of Balinese homes and villages is oriented in relation to the mountain. If the spirit of Bali belongs to its people, then its body belongs to the land, and what extraordinary land it is. The island offers an almost impossible variety of natural scenery compressed into a tiny space. In the south, the Bukit Peninsula juts into the Indian Ocean with dramatic limestone cliffs plunging down to turquoise waters. Here, world-class surf breaks like Uluwatu and Padang attract wave riders from around the globe, while clifftop temples cling to the rock above, silhouetted against blazing sunsets. Moving inland and northward, the landscape shifts entirely. The central highlands are cool, lush, and shrouded in mist. Volcanoes dominate the skyline, not just Agung, but also Mount Batur, volcano whose caldera contains a stunning crater lake. Hiking Batur at 4 a.m. to watch the sunrise from the summit is one of those experiences that finds its way permanently into your memory. Between the mountains and the coast lie the rice terraces, Bali's most iconic image, and justifiably so. The Tegallalang Terraces near Ubud are the most famous. Their sculptural green steps following the natural contours of the hillside in formations that are both agricultural and achingly beautiful. These terraces are maintained using an ancient cooperative irrigation system called *Subok*. *, a UNESCO-recognized cultural landscape that dates back to the 9th century. The system allocates water from the mountain temples down through a network of canals to farms across the island, a spiritual and ecological engineering marvel that has sustained Balinese agriculture for over a millennium. If there is one place that captures the essence of Bali more completely than any other, it is Ubud, nestled in the foothills of the Central Highlands. Surrounded by jungle and rice paddies, Ubud has long been the cultural heart of the island. It was here that Western artists like Walter Spies and Rudolph Bonnet arrived in the 1930s, fell completely under Bali's spell, and helped spark an international fascination with Balinese art. The town is still filled with galleries, artisan workshops, and studios where you can watch painters, sculptors, and woodcarvers at work. The famous Ubud art market spills its colour and craft across the main street every morning, offering everything from intricately carved masks and silver jewellery to hand-stamped batik fabric. But Ubud is also where you come to go inward. The town has become one of the world's premier destinations for yoga retreats, meditation centres, and holistic wellness. The Yoga Barn, one of Asia's best-known yoga centres, offers dozens of classes daily. Healers, known as Balian *, practice traditional Balinese medicine and spiritual guidance. If you've read Elizabeth Gilbert's *Eat, Pray, Love *, you'll recognise this place. It was here she came to find herself, and she was far from alone in that quest. The forests around Ubud are home to the sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, a temple complex inhabited by hundreds of long-tailed macaques who roam freely and seem entirely unbothered by the streams of visitors photographing them. Nearby, the Campuan Ridge Walk offers a gentle morning hike through mist and swaying grass, overlooking 2 river valleys with barely another soul in sight. Bali feeds you well in every sense. The local cuisine is bold, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. Nasi goreng, fried rice, mee goreng, fried noodles, * bobby gulling, * spitrastad suckling pigandi, bebek betutu, slow-cooked duck, smothered in spices and wrapped in banana leaf are just a few of the dishes that will make you want to stay forever. Every market, every *WARUNG, small local eatery, and every street corner carries the smell of something wonderful being cooked. Beyond traditional Balinese cooking, the island has developed a remarkable international food scene, particularly in Seminyak and Canggu, where world-class restaurants sit alongside beachside cafes and smoothie bowls piled high with dragon fruit and coconut. Bali has become a hub for health-conscious food culture, and it wears it well. Every every traveler to Bali leaves with something they didn't bring with them. It might be a sense of calm they hadn't felt in years, a creative spark reignited by the island's endless beauty, a moment of genuine connection with the land, with a stranger, with something deeper in themselves. Bali is not without its challenges. Traffic in the south can be relentless. Tourist-heavy areas can feel crowded, and the tension between rapid development and cultural preservation is real and ongoing. But even in its most crowded corners, the island's soul persists. A ceremony will round a corner and stop the street. A child will hold out a flower. The sun will sink into the sea behind a temple silhouette, and for a moment, everything else will fall silent. There is a Balinese concept called *Trihita Karana, the three causes of well-being: harmony with God, harmony with other people, and harmony with nature. It is the philosophical foundation of Balinese life, and it is perhaps the greatest gift the island offers its visitors. A reminder that these three harmonies are not luxuries, but necessities. Go to Bali once, and you will spend the rest of your life looking for reasons to go back.